3 tools. Right there.
Oh,
That's
yeah?
it. Come on, I'll show you that.
Good pair of pliers, eh? Get your good plier out, next thing you know.
I cleaned out an old estate last week.
Mmm.
I got all kinds of stuff. Look at the old anvil down this 3-legged perch there.
Oh yeah. Right
Look
on.
at that.
Somebody made that. Careful, might need to sit on it, eh?
That is old, eh?
Yeah. It's got an antler coming out of it.
Well, I don't know what that's for. I think it's for forming leather, something like that. There.
Oh yeah.
Could be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come on down, I'll show you that other.
Oh, there's a step there. That was close. You got her.
Take it back there, that's where the cats are in a big little red shed here. It hasn't run for a year. They're not a choke. Choke check.
Well, you got a 10mm. Get that bowl off there, see if it's filled up.
Oh.
If you drain the tank, that's great, but if you got crap in the carbonator, I should be just buying this not running and fixing it myself. You know, I'm gonna fix it and then buy it. Trying you. You know what I mean? Yeah, see, it's got like an automatic chocopini. Look at how dirty that carbonator is. Do you got a little pan, or do you care if I spill gas all over the ground?
That's all right.
It's just gonna like drain the tank, though, everything I put into it. You don't happen to have some carb cleaner, do you?
No, I don't. I'm not a mechanic.
No.
What's doing an inwood? Pretty dead.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same, scrapping, mowing the lawn. I think the carbonator's just plugged up because it's got oh! Look at that!
There we go.
Daryl's butter needs a carb cleaner. So I'll only charge you half for the repair. Eh? Okay, you got to give me a deal though.
No, that's the way it is right there. No, because I got
You're
another
too
one
old for deals.
I got another one in the basement. I don't.
You got another one in the basement?
That's Cavarna down there. So keep all this on the ball. Thank you very much.
Right on, man. Have a good
Awesome.
day.
Thank you very much.
Same here.
Yeah, we'll definitely be putting it to good use almost immediately.
Well, they do so much work in a short time. It's you just can't use them year round.
Mm-hmm.
Just trampling your scraps.
Well, I've got stuff that's got to come out of that trail before I put the scrap back in.
All right.
So projects happen.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
drive safe, guys.
Thank you. Have a good one. Hopefully the MTO doesn't catch me with this load.
Oh.
Yikes. Just a reminder there, boys, too, eh? If you order $50 or more on onepuglife.com, then you get a free Too Much of You Mariola Hustler shirt. So we got some bushes over here, kind of up and over a friggin' log of peony, but not too bad. Fire's right up, boys. Get a little belt squeal on her. Now she's got a little bit of the belt squeal, but already it's taken the place of 6 or 7 homeless degenerate alcoholics. So she runs a little rough though. I need to clean out the carbonator. You can also run over rocks. You get shit wound around it, done like that. Well, the son of a bitch does a pretty good job. Like around the tires, you know, it doesn't get right into the crevasses, but man, I should have got that a long time ago. Good grief, look at this place. Just like out of a mag of words. A couple spots I missed, right? Around the extension cord. I got my pile of extension cord here. My new one. Holy fuck, were you in the Donaker?
Yeah.
The fuck were you doing in there? Just having some hoots?
Oh, of course I was.
Some random hoots? Yeah. Gross. Did you see all this?
What I do after supper, right?
Yeah. Sick out of a mag of words. I like how it's got like the tusk, it gets under stuff real good. Frig yeah, man. You missed it though. I might be able to get some shots from the camera over there. There was an albino Saskatchewan fucking walking around back here. Missed it. Missed it. But if you got a whole bunch of junk in your yard, like a wicker snicker doesn't do no good, eh? The things break off right away. like the things broke off a little bit, but not too bad. There's still totally some there, and we did all this. Highly recommended. The only thing that I would say is she's a little low on the powers, eh? If you're not trying to friggin' mow a wheat field, because like the wheat grass like this, the long stringy stuff like that, it just gets bound up around the arsecle. If it's, you know, if it's a foot tall, just chooches through it, no problem. But when it's like 3 feet tall, when you're mowing wheat grass, it just binds it all up. And this too, these ones get it if you don't, you know, if you try going slow or whatever. But yeah, that's awesome. Highly recommend that. And I probably don't have to worry about G-tail coming and friggin' snagging the friggin' thing. That's not what he's looking for, I don't think. They're probably looking for like just the ones on a stick, you know? You don't hear of G-tail friggin' off with your friggin' pushing wicker snicker. Oh, he did it. Yeah, all under the red dragoon, we quit that. All under the mud truck, we quit that. All under this one. Never even started that one. Never even started that one. So that's good. Frig yeah, that thing's awesome. Just look at the state of her, boys. Just wicker snickered, terrible. But see this part here, it gets all the what's it's wrapped around it, but we still got you know, half of the stick left. We'll have to find some good wicker snicker string. But yeah, just like out of a friggin' bag of words, boys. Wicker snicker, awesome.